One time I felt very happy was on my birthday last year. My family planned a surprise party for me. When I came home from school, the house was decorated with balloons and lights. My friends and family were there waiting for me. They sang the birthday song and I blew out the candles on my cake. It was a chocolate cake, my favorite. I received many gifts like books and a new bag. We played games, ate delicious food, and laughed a lot. My parents told me they were proud of me, which made me feel very special. That day was full of love and joy. I will always remember it as one of the happiest times in my life. When was a time you felt happy?